Hello everyone, I'm Sai, and today we are going to talk about conditional statements and loops in Python. Conditional statements. Conditional statements allow programs to make decisions based on whether a condition is true or false. The main keywords are if, elif, and else. So if the condition in the if statement is true, its block of code runs. If false, the program checks elif conditions. If none are true, the code under the else block runs. This is mainly used in decision-making logic in any program. So here in the example, you can see that if temperature is greater than 30, it will print hot. It will print it's hot. If the temperature is between 20 and 30, will print it's warm. And if it's below 20, will print it's cool. So now coming to for loops. For loops repeat actions for every item in a sequence, such as a list, string, or range of numbers. They run a block of code for each element in the sequence. Examples include processing a list of measurements, performing repeated calculations over a range, or modifying characters in a string. In this code, we have a list called fruits that contains three elements: apple, banana, and cherry. The for loop is used to go through each item in the fruits list one by one. For each iteration, the current item is assigned to the variable fruit, and the print fruit statement outputs the item to the screen. So when this code runs, it prints each fruit on a new line, like apple, banana, and cherry. This is an example of using a for loop to iterate through a list and perform an action on each item in the sequence. So in this code, we check a variable score to determine the grade based on the score value. The if, elif, and else statements are used to create different conditions. If score is 90 or higher, it prints grade A. If score is 80 or higher but less than 90, it prints grade B. If score is 70 or higher but less than 80, it prints grade C. If none of these conditions are met, it prints grade F. In this example, since score is set to 79, it falls into the third condition, which is score is greater than or equal to 70. So the output will be grade C. This is an example of using conditional statements to control program flow based on different conditions. So here we can see the output is grade C, which falls under the third condition. So in this code, we have a list called nums containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The for loop iterates through each number in the list, which each number assigned to the variable I in each iteration. The print I double asterisk 2 statement is equal to like I power of I square. It's like I square. So the statement then prints square of each number. So here's how it works for each element. When I is 1, 1 square equals to 1, so we'll print 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and 5 square 25. So the output will be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This example demonstrates for how a for loop can be used to perform calculations on each element in a list. So as you can see, these are the outputs. We got the square of each number in the list. Thank you.